Ipinagtanggol ng TV host actress na si Karil si Janela Salvador sa mga nagsasabing binastos nito si Kim Chu sa isang episode ng It's Showtime. Nabash kasi si Janela ng tila barahin at ipahiya raw niya si Kim nang mag-guest siya sa April 2 episode ng naturang noontime show ng ABS-CBN. Nag-promote ang aktres at singer sa It's Showtime, kasama ang Thai actor na si Win Metawin para sa pelikula nilang Under Parallel Skies, at sa upcoming concert at bago niyang single na Head Tone. Biglang humirit si Kim kay Janela na magpasample sa Madlang People ng bago niyang kanta, pero hindi pa natapos magsalita si Kim ay sinagot agad siya ni Janela. Medyo paus ako today. Kayo na lang, ang say ni Janela kay Kim. Mabilis naging trending topic sa social media ang usapan ng dalawang kapamilya stars. Mas uminit pa ang isyo ng gayahin ni Vice Ganda ang linyahan ni Janela sa Especially For You segment ng programa kung saan nagdialog ang komedyante sa contestant ng medyo paus siya today. Kayo na lang. Sabi ng ilang netizens binastos daw ni Janela si Kim sa mismong show nito. Sa episode ng Magic 89.9 Radio, online station nitong April 4 ay natanong ni DJ Mo Twister si Karil tungkol sa isyo. Paglilinaw ni Karil, it's just that Janela is not feeling so well, and she's preparing for her big concert, and she's doing movie press. Siguro she's not able to really rest and recover properly. So, we just asked her to do a sample, but she wasn't ready for it cause, obviously, she wants to be on tip-top shape for her concert. So, yeah, it was like a little moment that, parang maybe to some people online, it meant something. But, she just really couldn't sing at that moment, litanya ni Karil. In-explain din ni Karil ang pinanggagalingan ng, kayo na lang, comment ni Janela kay Kim. Prior to that interview with Janela and Win, there was a moment when Janela and Win, Kim Chu and Ann Curtis did gusto ko nang bumitaw, so she, Janela, meant was, you guys sing so well, like the voice ni Sharon and it was so high, going higher and higher. That's why she said, kayo na lang, kasi that's what she meant. That was her reference naman, aniya pa. Pero, dahil sa pagtatanggol ni Karil kay Janela tila nabash ito, at nabaling sa kanya ang atensyon ng mga netizens, sabi pa, bakit mo naman pinagtanggol yang Janela si Kim na nga ang nabastos? Komento pa ng isa, parang may galit si Karil kay Kim. Siguro nga ay may lihim na inggit si Karil kay Kim kasi mas magaling si Kim mag-host. Kayo anong masasabi nyo sa pahayag ni Carol? Nagpaliwanag na rin si Janela about the issue sa pamamagitan ng kanyang ex account last April 5, just to be clear, I have personally apologized for unintentionally offending someone but not for setting a valid boundary. If you twist my words that's on you. I will always be assertive but never disrespectful. I've been meaning to explain myself because the last thing I would ever want is to appear rude or disrespectful. And here I am being met with so much love and comfort upon opening this app. Thank you. It makes me happy to know that there are many people out there who know my heart and what I stand for, mensahe pa ni Janela.